Hello, welcome friends. This is the first day of our junior college. So, this is our warm welcome to you, all of you. Friends, we don't know your name, we don't know your faces, but we are eagerly waiting to know you as well as eagerly waiting to meet you. You are the freshers as you have completed your education in high schools of from different areas. So let me congratulate you on your great success in 10th standard. You have done efforts, you have studied very well, and so you got good marks and taken education in our college. I would like to say you are very lucky as you have got admission in our college. This is the well-known college, that is SSGM College, Kopargaon. Friends, let me tell you, this is the special day as today you are going to start your new fresh journey of life. It was the life of, that is students, life of just like the children when you were taking education in 10th standard. But now you have taken admission in junior college. Friends, here in this college, you know that, or you are quite well known about the different things, different activities in our college. Okay, let me introduce you about myself. I am Mr. Mustaqim Pathan from Ahmednagar. I am MA English, B.Ed. I have been teaching English since 1997, and so I hope that you will be pleased to learn with me. So, my dear students, here in our college, you are quite well known about these things. That is, that there are different activities are there, different sections are there. So, this means this is the day which is the special day for you in our college. When you enter in our college, at that time, I know that I understand your feelings. That is, your feelings may be of happiness, or maybe of confusion, fear, or excitement. And so, this is normal of a human being. That is, as you were taking education in high schools, and now you have taken admission in junior college, and so this is somewhat different from the high school life. So, friends, as you have taken admission in our college, you may be happy. You should be happy because only the lucky persons get admission in our college. You are so lucky. And then you may have confusion also. Why? Why should be confused? That is, most of the students don't know about the different sections of our college. This is the vast area of our college, and so there are the libraries, science section, then language departments, senior college department, then labs, different labs, physics lab, chemistry lab, biology lab, and so all these, that is the, we can say, physical things, physical requirements are available in our college, and so don't be confused. I am sure that you will be happy with us. You will take very good education in our college. You will get success with us in our college. So, friends, here when you come in our college, that is, you should know about our college, as this is the period of lockdown period, and so in this lockdown period you are at home. After some days it will be declared, the date will be declared, and you will have to come in our college. So when you will come in our college, That is when you are in our college. At that time, that is you should know some things, some good activities or some conducts. That is some rules about the college, a behavior about the students' behavior. So, friends, here, when you come here, don't be anxious. Be positive. Be positive because positive thinkers get very, very successful achievements, get powerful results. The persons who are positive thinkers, they get very, we can say, the positive results. And so we should be positive, and that is if the person is happy, if the person is positive, that is he get everything or he get success in his life. And so here in our college, that is, this is the huge building, different departments are there. That is all the teachers, all the lecturers in our department, that is they are helpful, they have helping nature, that is they have the nature of counseling, and so the counseling center is also here. Okay, and so maybe girl, you may be girl or boy, don't be fear, don't be confused, you are welcome in our college. And so friends, here are the experienced teacher in our college. You would know that when when you come to our college, when you sit in our college, you will get or you will understand about the teachers. That is, they are the fluent teachers. They are very fluent teachers. At the same time, that is, you will get the very influential lectures in our classrooms. Okay, friends, now see, there are the classrooms. The classrooms should have the very well atmosphere, and so there are the teachers. The teachers, they are serious. They are serious about your career, about your, that is, life, not teaching seriously, not taking, that is this means that there is the teaching with happiness, teaching with their faces are not serious, that is they, so the teaching with happiness, the teaching with, we can say, the excitement. The student should, our main intention is the student should be happy, they should be happy, they should get their desired knowledge in our college. And so here the teacher, there are teachers who are very hard workers, extra periods are arranged here, and always they are engaged in giving good guidance to the students. And so this is our promise to you, that is, we will give you 100% to you. Okay, this is our responsibility, this is our responsibility. But the next step goes to you, that is, there are some expectations of your parents from you. Okay, this is the next point, that is, as you are the child you are the, we can say, the child of your parents, and so they have brought of you until this time, and so they have some expectations from you, from your parents. And so it's your responsibility to fulfill their expectations. What are their expectations? That is, every parent, that is, every parent thinks that his child should take the proper education, his child should make his future better, his child should build up his career. Okay, his child should be happy in his life, he should not run behind the money, but he should earn the happiness in his life. Okay, these may be the expectations of your parents, and so it's your responsibility to fulfill their, that is, we can say, their dream, their expectations. Okay, and so here, then, this is the expectation of your parent, but then what is your responsibility? Your responsibility, that is, if your parents, they think that you should be good educated, you should take the proper education, you should make your career, you should, we can say, then you should make your future better. And so for these good things, for to fulfill his expectations of your parent, to complete the expectations of your parents. So the point goes to your responsibility. And for that, if the person wants to take proper education, if the person wants to become very successful person in his life, that there are some things, some norms, some things should be followed by the student. That is, as you are the student, and so it is very important that there should be discipline in your life. Okay, this is main point. Only the education, that is you only take education, but if there is the lack of discipline, okay, there will be problems in your life. So discipline should be there. That is charity. It is said that the charity begins at home. Begins at home. Good things, value, we can say Sanskruti begins from your home. And so you should have discipline. If the person has discipline, he will be successful in his life. And so whenever you come in college, there should be discipline. Discipline should be maintained. And that at the same time, as you come here to take education, the attendance should be there. Not the bunkers. That is, the bunkers are not. The bunkers do not get success in their life. There is no shortcut. No shortcut to get success in your life. And so there should be discipline. Your attention should be there. Your attendance should be there. You should be regular in your class, as you are the science student. Maybe the arts, commerce, whatever your field may be, whatever your faculty may be. But if you want to get success, if you want to achieve success, if you want to get good marks, you should be regular in your class. Your attendance is also taken into consideration. If you have to take participation, you have to participate in every activities which are going on in our college. So you will find that this is our college where so many activities are carried out. And so different activities are arranged here. And so what is the reason? What is the intention of our college? That is to make you all round. To make you all round. That is to give you proper education. That is you should have to build up your personality. And so as you should be the versatile personality. You should have versatile personality. This is our aim. This is our intention behind it. And so you should be regular, you should have discipline, you should take the participation in every discussion, in every events of our college. There may be the competitive exam, there may be we can say any quiz, there should be, if there are some other we can say programs where we give you an opportunity to speak, we give you an opportunity to participate in such events. And so it's your responsibility, that is to walk on the road. So you know that, friends, if we want to get success, if we want to become successful person in our life, we have to fix our goal first. Goal should be fixed there. Okay? And so as you are traveling by bus, but you don't know where you want to go, how can it be reached to the destination? You should know the destination. There may be different tracks, there may be different paths, different ways to reach to the destination, to complete the goal. But first of all, you have to fix your goal. You have to, that is, decide where you are going, what you want to achieve, what you want to get, what is your desired destination. Okay? And so here, first of all, you have to fix your goal, friends. And so when you fix your goal, you have to walk on that road. You have to, that is, achieve. You have to make the efforts to achieve it. You have to work hard for it, and then you will get success. And so, as the same time, efforts, good work, at the same time, the practice is also very important. And so, whatever study you are going to have, so there should be the comprehension should be there. That is, whatever you read, friends, don't read only for the parents, don't read for the teachers, don't read for the friends. Okay? The pretendance should not be done there. You are going to do for you, for yourself, for your better future, for your work, for your achievement. And so the comprehension should be there. Comprehension means reading with understanding. Whatever the points you are going to read, whatever the points you are going to listen, when you are in the class, when you are in classroom, when you are attending the lecture, at that time, that is the proper listening should be there. Okay, that if you want to become proper speaker, so first of all you have to become the proper listener also. And so when you are good listener, everything will be understood. And so this is called the comprehension, that is reading with understanding, listening. And so the practice should be there. Okay, the practice is required for getting success. That is we are not such the great saints like Naneshwar or other saints. That is once you read, you tear your pages. There is no need of reading so many times. But we are the human being. We are the human being. We have to read so many times. And so don't read so many times. Whenever you read first, at the first time, at that time the comprehension is required. Read with understanding. Don't run. Don't have that is we can say the speed. And so read silently. Try to understand the points, and then it will be remember forever. And so this is called the dedication. And so all these things, whenever you fix your goal, what are the requirements to achieve success? There is the hard work, efforts, comprehension, practice, dedication, all these things, discipline, okay, participation in discussions. And so these are the so many things which make your personality, which make you successful. And so friends, it is said that hard work and efforts are equal to the wonders of fate. But fate, do you know fate? Fate means luck. That is the fortune. What does the fortune make? And nowadays the fortune can make we can say very billionaires, can make the person very successful. Though there may be the waiter can become crorepati, we can say. Okay, he can become millionaires. Watchman can become millionaires, because whenever that is the fate, it is the wonder of fate. Okay, there may be the peon, he can also become the president of our nation. Do you know Abraham Lincoln? He was the person that is gone from the very lowest post, just like postman, postmaster, then that become, we can say, the corporate. He has entered in politics, and after that, there may be that he has become the president of America. This is not easy. And so this is a life journey. It is not easy. There are the twists and turns. So many difficulties are there. So many problems are there. And so this doesn't happen. This doesn't happen that within within a second, within a minute. Okay. So there, that is you have to give your 100%. You have to give your dedication. And so here, so this is that is a failure. There may be the failure. Failure may come in our life. The failure doesn't mean that you have died. Okay. And so though there are failures, you should not worry. Wait and watch. Be silent. Okay. Meditate on it. Think over it. What are your mistakes? And so try to, we can say, that is improve your mistakes, improve your situation, then you will get success. And so though the failure comes in your life, so you should not be, that is under tension, you should not take the stress. And for that, this is the main thing, that is you have to give the 100% in your life. And so here, whenever you will come in our college friends, at that time, this is we can say the normal thing, that is try to increase friendship with your colleagues. Try to make friendship with your friends. with your classmates, okay, as well as teachers also. The teachers are also friends, we are also your friends, okay, because every time we think about you, it's our responsibility, it's our duty to think about you, friends. And so here, this is the place, that is the school, college. This is the place not just to take education, but also building our personality. You have come here, you come regularly in our college to build up your personality, to make your attitude, to build up your attitude, to build up your character, and to become a versatile person. And that is, it's our responsibility. That is, we are going to do all these things. We are here for this. For this, not only give you, not only teach you only the text, only the lessons from our textbook, okay, but the main intention behind teaching you the textbook, the main intention behind the, we can say, that the calling you in our school, in our classrooms, is to make your personality, to give you proper knowledge, to build up your personality, to make you the special, to make your special character. You should be versatile. Versatile means the knowledge of all the sections. All sections. Every section should not be omitted. No one section should be omitted. That is, we can say the Ashtapailu. You should be there. And so, in this way, friends, so once again, I welcome you in our college. Whenever the college starts, that is, we will send you messages on your WhatsApp group. Nowadays, we will send lectures. We will send lectures. That is, there will be a timetable. The timetable will be sent to you. There will be YouTube lectures which have been made by your teachers, by us. The lectures will be sent, and once or twice, there will be the doubt session. That is the Google Meet, online lecture. And so all the students should be present there, because there the teacher and students will be the face to face on your Google Meet lecture. And so there you will get an opportunity to ask the students, to ask that questions to the teachers. Okay, we will give you time to discuss with us. There will be discussion among the students also, whatever the points may be there. Okay, that is, there will be freedom to you to ask question about the topic. If you have any problem, if you have any doubt, there will be the doubt clearance session. The teacher will give you guidance. The teacher will, that is, make your concepts clear if you have doubts. Okay, and so in this way, this is the first day of our college, and you are going to make your career. We are also, once again, I would like to tell you, I am very happy to be with you. I am very happy to meet you, to see you, to know you. And so, friends, that's all for today. We will meet in Google Meet or the actual classes, if the government permits, within some weeks. Okay? Thank you, friend. I will teach you English for 11th and 12th standard. Okay? Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining. Thank you. Meet you in next lecture.